It's your boy here. It's Ricky Big. I'm the one, and I'm the only one. Sometimes I just have to kind of like accept what this is all about, like who I am and what I represent. Feel me? I feel like I am a voice. Feel me? And I ain't talking about cause of the videos I'm making here. Excuse me. I don't mean it like that. You feel me? Some people may not quite understand it. I've been battling. I've been fighting for people since I can remember. Now I know how it is in America that if you're not receiving checks, if you're not getting something super big for whatever you're doing, it's not valuable. But in my case, it tells otherwise. I've been putting fights for people who the voiceless. You feel me? And I'm saying all this to say, as black people, it's like that's not your regular topic where a lot of people addressing it. But I salute the one that are speaking for us. But as black people, we really have to come together, especially at this time where you can feel there's something going on. One thing is you like you know what I'm saying, hearing from here from there. Another thing, at least for me, is just because my life is just it was always like ongoing. Meaning I always like doing things, so it's not always easy for me to see what others are talking about because I'm a sport guy. If if you ain't never catch me on the field, like work a regular job, it was hard for me to know everything or to see all I'm seeing now because I was always locked in on what I wanted to do, how I wanted my life to be, and I've always been on the run, trying to top my highest. You feel me? So for that, I missed out on a lot of things. But as I can see, I was always aware of what was going on. I was just never buying into it, or really let it get the best out of me, type of thing. So, but as you're getting older, you have kids of your own. You growing. I was a different type of person, but the world's slowing me down. Well, while time is moving fast, but the world is still slowing me down to see what's going on in it. But it's just that's when I know something is wrong here. If the world is moving fast and it's slowing you down to just see what's going on in it, but the effects on what it's having on our people and my people is kind of like it's bugging me out. It's just like it's making me feel funny. I ain't feeling right, and I think that's messed up. I think that's messed up, man. And I know my older people can understand what I'm saying, but my problem is not even with the older people because the other people already went through what they went through. They already know every every move that was being taken. You know, they know everything. So it's more for my youngins. Like I said, I got kids of my own, so it's just like to see this world moving where it's moving and how we still not. You feel me? We dominate, but we still not getting rewarded for it. Instead, we just getting like you know dumped down. A lot of people not gonna understand what I'm saying, but a lot of people do. The reason why I'm saying a lot of people not going to understand. It's not just words. This is what you see as a young man who's coming up in the world. You feel me? You done heard stuff way back then, and but you ain't never really like cared too much about it. And now that you get older, you now see what everybody was saying. You feel me? To a point where like it's crazy. It's crazy how powerful we are, but we not getting the recognition for it. Instead, we getting like beat down. And here's the crazy part. Here's the crazy part about all of that. The crazy part is, as brown people, black brown people, the crazy part about all that is that a lot of it, bruh, a lot of it is being motivated by our own people. Believe it or not, the white people might be, starting the fire and shit like that. But a lot of this is being motivated, like, by our own people. You know what I'm saying? We're not getting the chance that we should be getting only because we got a brother over there, like, that, like, has his own situation going on, and he make it general. Ain't nothing ever been general. Whatever conversation you're having, it's not going to be general. It's like never, because in every group, in every category, there's always, a part. There's always category. You feel me? It's this, that. It's never like the whole thing. It's never like global, broad. It's never. But in our community, we lack of understanding that, and for that, I made this argument around my guys that we're the only group that that divide our own group. We divide our own group, and they couldn't understand what I was saying. Now I had to explain, which is most of all my conversations. Niggas ain't never understand what I'm saying. I always gotta explain. I'm in the booth spitting. I still gotta explain myself what this bar mean. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Like it's obvious. You feel me? Like one of the bars I spit was like, red light, green light, shit still gonna slide. You feel me? Nigga wanted to know what red light means. You feel me? But really, it's like, that's a whole other conversation. I ain't gonna put my niggas on blast, because I ain't talking about these niggas. I'm talking about some other niggas who messing up the vibe for everybody by judging us so hard, but not judging up everybody the same way. You so focused on your own people who's going through it the most, you just penalize them. But truth be told, you should really have some kind of understanding of where we're coming from, because you can connect. But it ain't even about that. It's like, nah, man, I done seen so much. I done seen it. And I'm wrong. When back to what I was saying before I started doing all of that, was like, I met white people who done, like, saying mad trash about their own white people. But at the end of the day, they all have that little edge, you feel me? I ain't gonna throw you all the way down, no. I'm gonna talk mad shit about you, but I ain't gonna throw you all the way down, no, you feel me? That's real shit. I wish I had another way to explain, to really make you understand what I'm saying, but if you got a brain in your head, you already know what I'm saying. I'm saying they can talk mad trash about their own people, but they always hold that love. How the hell you think Trump made it this far? You feel me? How stupid this nigga look. This nigga make them upset. I'm sorry, this man made them upset. They still, you feel me? Whether he cheated, whatever the case might be, cheated or not, that tells you there was a great amount of people that went and voted for him, no matter what, how stupid he looked. And now he's being exposed, so you can really tell me. And right now, we can easily just like say like the next president won't be like Joe Biden, but because of knowing how his people got him, nigga, he's still on the battle of thinking like, this right here is supposed to be easy. Joe Biden is next president, a Democrat, but because of that style of how they do things, no matter what, they stick by their people. But we ain't doing that. Black people ain't doing that. We crushing up people down. Brown people ain't doing that. We feel like it's cool to just expose this, man. We already know what our people do, what they could do, what they could say, how they move, what they do. We know that. And there's way to punish them for that. But we gonna do it on the open to everybody. That's not helping us.